Hey friends, let me ask you something real quick. Have you been feeling mentally off lately? Like no matter how much sleep you get or how many cups of coffee you down, your brain still feels foggy, slow, and just totally drained? That was exactly me. I'm someone who juggles a lot, work, family life, and I reached a point where my brain just couldn't keep up anymore. The focus was gone, my energy was all over the place, and I honestly just didn't feel like myself. And then I discovered Neuroenergizer. Real quick before we get into it, Neuroenergizer is only available on the official website, and I've linked it down below in the description and in the first comment. Please don't buy it from Amazon or other third-party sites. There are knockoffs out there that don't work. You want the real, original program, trust me. So, what exactly is Neuroenergizer? It's not a supplement, it's not a drink, and it's not an app. It's a digital audio program that uses scientifically engineered sound frequencies, also known as brainwave entrainment, to help your mind wake up, focus, and perform better. You literally just put on headphones, hit play, and let the frequencies do the rest. Sounds kind of futuristic, right? I thought the same thing, but I gave it a try, and honestly, I was shocked at how fast it worked. Within minutes, I felt clearer, like someone turned the lights back on in my brain. My focus sharpened, and that sluggish mental feeling, gone. Neuroenergizer is designed to support natural brain function without any pills, caffeine, or weird side effects. It uses binaural beats, a type of sound therapy that helps your brain enter powerful states of energy, calm, or clarity, depending on the session you choose. You can use it anytime, in the morning to start your day, during an afternoon slump, or even at night to wind down. I started using it in the morning while sipping coffee, and now it's part of my daily ritual. Just 10 to 20 minutes, and I'm good to go. Now, let's talk about the benefits. After a week, I was more focused at work, my mood improved, and I wasn't crashing midday. I had energy, not the jittery kind, but a calm, steady focus that actually lasted. And no more reaching for that second or third cup of coffee. The best part? You pay once and get lifetime access to all the audio tracks and updates. Plus, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out. If it's not for you, you get your money back. Simple. But don't wait too long. Right now, they've got a limited time discount running on the official site, so make sure to check it out using the link below. If you're ready to feel mentally clear, calm, and energized again without pills or pressure, Neuroenergizer might just be exactly what you need. Click the link below to check out the real deal and start feeling like the best version of yourself.